Today guys, pag-usapan natin the top 6 na tablets below 10,000 pesos. And this has been a special request ninyo kasi previously we did a top 6 na tablets pero hindi siya affordable. Medyo mga flagship and mid-ranger na tablets which is definitely going to perform. But in today's video, dahil sa sobrang request ninyo, we're going to do a budget version. Kasi kung yun talaga ang budget ninyo, ito ang regalo kong video para sa inyo. Usapan natin. So in no particular order itong video na ito, basta ranking 6 tablets, no? Pero the last one is definitely my favorite and meron akong special mention na sasabihin sa inyo at the end of this video. Simulan natin with the first one is the Itel Vista Tab 11. Na-review na natin ito previously and it's a very good budget tablet. Powered by the Unishock na T615, I know that it can pretty much do all the multitasking na kailangan ninyo pero on a very limited na capability. Pag sobrang dami mong binuksan na app, definitely medyo mag-slow down na siya, magiging sluggish na siya. So I advise pag itong tablet binili niyo, huwag sobrang sabay-sabay lahat ng mga multitask na gusto mo gawin dito sa kanya kasi masasakal siya definitely. Pero with a big battery of 6,000 mAh, I think hindi ka naman talo dito and a 10.1 inch na screen. You can watch all of your favorite shows dito. Wala kang maging problema. Just don't expect na magpe-perform siya like yung mga premium na tablets na may AMOLED display. One of the good things dito sa kanya na selling point niya is AI learning para sa mga bata, and another good key features kanya is meron siyang 4G capability, meaning pwede mo siya lagyan ng SIM card para wherever you go, meron kang data. Hindi mo na kailangan makipag-hotspot, maghanap ng Wi-Fi, ready na siya to surf wherever you go. And ang Itel Vista Tab 11 is currently priced at 7,999, which can go a lot lower pagdating sa 12/12 sale. So, abangan niyo, check the links on the description or just simply click the YouTube shopping link. Now, up next is the Infinix Xpad 20. This one is being powered by the MediaTek Helio G88. Alam naman natin no, na G88 kung hanggang saan ang kakayanan niya. We've done a lot of G88 reviews in the past. And pretty much, alam naman natin it's more of a budget na processor. It can do multitasking, pero of course, pag sabay-sabay mo nang binubuksan mga tabs, medyo mag-slow down siya. One good thing dito sa kanya is Android 15 na siya, and very generous ang kanyang screen at 11-incher. Meron pa siya 90Hz screen refresh rate. Expandable naman ang kanyang storage, so you can put micro SD card kung nabitin ka sa kanyang storage. Malaki ang kanyang battery at 7,000 mAh, pero medyo slow lang kanyang charging at 10 watts. Well, kailangan ng kunting patience pag nag-charge ka ng tablet na ito. But overall, the performance is good. Itong tablet na ito is definitely one of the best sellers ni Infinix. And currently, it's being priced at 8,700 pesos. And you can get it way lower pagdating sa 12/12 sale. Third on my list is the Honor Pad X8A. Currently, being priced at 7,999, which can go a little lower or a lot lower depende sa mga promos nila sa pagdating sa 12/12. And ang kanyang processor is a very overly used and very optimized na chip, which is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 680. Alam naman natin capability nito, sobrang marami na gumagamit nito, paulit-ulit, and probably this is a oversupply ng processor na ito, kaya ito pa rin ginagamit ni Honor. Pagdating sa multitasking, kaya naman niya, except that siguro pag sobrang nag-bottleneck na, sobrang daming umang apps binuksan, expect na medyo mag-slow down nga talaga siya. But this is definitely a very capable na processor. Malaki ang kanyang screen, 11-incher, with a TFT LCD na meron 90Hz screen refresh rate. Sobrang laki ang kanyang battery guys, 8,300 mAh, and which can last you beyond a day on normal usage based sa aking experience. Except that siguro yung downside niya is yung kanyang camera is medyo so-so kasi 5MP sa harap, 5MP din sa likod. So don't expect too much sa kanyang camera. Pero overall, itong kanyang tablet na ito is jam-pack ang kanyang battery, can last you. Lalo kung lagi ka na sa labas, I think itong tablet is just simply perfectly suited for you. Ang Honor Pad X8A. Now before tayo mag-proceed na number 4 to number 6, in-encourage ko to like, subscribe dito sa akin channel so you don't miss out any good videos dito like this one, yung mga recommendation ko for 12/12 or for any occasion or for just simply as a canvas for looking tablets, smartphones dito here on my channel. So don't forget to hit the bell icon din para ma-notify din kayo. Now, next on my list is the Xiaomi Redmi Pad 2. Now, this is currently priced at 8,999, which can go lower pagdating sa sale sa 12/12 sale lalo na. Now, medyo mas better na kada processor ang MediaTek Helio G100 Ultra, which is definitely better than the first 3 ones na binanggit natin. Of course, at a price point na a little bit higher. Pero one good thing kaya dito is that meron siyang 4G LTE. Meron siyang dalawang version. Ang sinasabi natin here is the Wi-Fi edition. Meron pa siyang Redmi Pad 2 4G edition, which is a little bit more expensive nga lang. One good thing dito sa tablet na ito is malaki ng kanyang screen, 11-incher, and it has a Corning Gorilla Glass 3, the protection, which is wala nung first screen na binanggit ko. Apat ang kanyang speaker and being tuned by Dolby Atmos, which can give you better sounds than the first three I mentioned, and a super big na 9,000 mAh na battery, which is also bigger than the first three na binanggit natin. In terms of value for money, I think this is definitely one of the sweet spot, si Redmi Pad 2. Now, the fifth on my list is the Itel Vista Tab 30 GT. Currently being priced at 9,999, which is sakto halos sa recommendation ko, which I'm pretty sure na it will go lower pagdating sa 12/12 sale. Just don't forget to click the link on the description or nandyan sa YouTube shopping link natin para hindi kayo ma-scam, ha? Pagdating sa processor, it's a Unisoc na T606, which alam naman natin is very much capable. Multitasking is okay, and it has a big screen na 11-incher na IPS LCD as well. 4G capable na rin siya, which is definitely good kasi on the previous 4 na binanggit natin, only si Itel Vista Tab 11 lang ang may 4G capability. So wherever you go, wala kang maging problema pagdating sa data. Hindi mo kailangang maghanap ng Wi-Fi public and hindi mo rin kailangang mag-hotspot. Itself, yung tablet mo, meron na siyang data. Yung kanyang camera na 8MP sa rear is the so-so, don't expect too much. And pretty solid din ang kanyang 7,000 mAh na battery, which can support 10 watts na charging, which is quite slow para sa akin. It can even play you some decent games like ML, PUBG, and CODM, based sa aking experience, ha? And the last one on my list is the Lenovo XiaoXin na Pad Pro 12.7 2025. Ang original SRP nito parang 12,999 if tama ako, ha. Kasi nung 11/11 sale, umabot siya na 10,100 pesos only, no? So don't forget to check the link on the description na pinaprovide natin kasi yun yung mga legit na sinasabi ko sa inyo, doon ko nakukuha itong mga tablets na ito. Among all of the recommendation na binigay ko sa inyo, this is probably one of the best na processor meron niya. MediaTek Dimensity 8300. Alam niyo naman, di ba? More of a gaming chip talaga to. And at 10,000 pesos, dagdagan lang ng 100 pesos na pagdating sa sale. Very, very capable siya. It can give you 144 Hz screen refresh rate. It gives you a big screen na among all of the tablets na binanggit natin previous 5, 12.7 na inch na IPS LCD. Meron pa siyang anti-glare technology. So meaning, pag medyo may glare ng mga ilaw na fluorescent, hindi ka affected yung screen. It has quad speaker na Dolby Atmos and a big battery at 10,200 mAh, supporting up to 45 watts pa na fast charging. Sa lahat ng binanggit ko, no, I think ito na siguro pinaka-sweet spot for me personally. Na ang sarap-sarap i-recommend sa inyo. Pero lahat ng binanggit ko sa inyo, guys, no, it comes together with walang keyboard, wala ring stylus, no? Everything has to be bought separately. Diyan papasok ngayon ang special mention natin, which is the Infinix Xpad 20 Pro. Take note si Pro, Yung kaninang second na binanggit natin is the non-Pro variant. This tablet for 12,000 peso, it comes together with a keyboard na may cover and a stylus. Bundle na siya, guys. Sobrang okay to. And it's being powered by the MediaTek Helio G100 Ultimate, which is very much capable. 8MP ang rear camera, which can get you some really pretty decent na photos based sa aking experience. Malaki rin kanyang screen at 12-incher. And of course, meron din siyang 90 Hz screen refresh rate. 8,000 mAh sa kanyang battery, which is massive and supporting 18 watts na fast charging. Well, actually, hindi siya fast charging. Normal charging lang siya, 18 watts. And goods din dito sa kanya, micro SD expandable din siya. Ayun guys, sabagit ko na sa inyo lahat na gusto ko i-share sa inyo na top 6 tablets below 10,000 pesos, which is probably pasok sa inyong budget for this 12/12 or Christmas sale. So if you find this video helpful, guys, don't forget to share to your mga friends, kapamilya na naghanap din ng tablet for this Christmas. And of course, in-encourage you to like, subscribe dito sa aking channel so you don't miss out yung mga good na recommendation just like this one here sa aking channel. So paano yan? Hanggang dito muna ako. I'll see you when you see me. Peace out. And so, ako pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.